I gotta ask what a buyer's and seller's market was, and I didn't explain it as well as I could have. Roll the intro. Welcome back, folks. So nice to see your smiling faces. Let's start this week off right. If you're new here, thank you. My name is AlexBeltran, and I talk about everything real estate and lifestyle. For the record, I know exactly what a buyer's market and a seller's market is, but I got asked by a client, and I fumbled the question. I didn't explain it as efficiently as I would have liked. So I remembered what my mentor taught me when I first started real estate. It's not what you know, it's what you can communicate. So I thought to myself, this is a very basic term that everyone in the real estate business knows, but I don't think the general public knows all that well. So today that's what I want to talk about. Buyer's markets, seller's markets, what are they? How do they benefit or affect you? Buyer's market means that there's more houses for sale than there are buyers on the market, making it a perfect time for buyers to get amazing deals on homes. Clearly this benefits the buyer, hence buyer's market. A seller's market is when there are more buyers looking for homes than there are homes available. This is typically when you get multiple offers and when houses tend to sell above fair market value. You know, bidding wars. This market benefits sellers because this is when sellers get to ask whatever they want in terms of price. So how do you know if you're in a buyer's or a seller's market? Typically speaking, during the summer months, June through August, is when the most amount of buyers are out trying to look for houses. The winter is typically a buyer's market, mostly because very few buyers are willing to look during the holidays or during the cold weather. For more info on how to buy a house, check out the video I made, linked above. Another way to check is to look at the days on market, or DOM. Generally speaking, if a house gets offers within the first 7 days, then you're looking at a seller's market. On the flip side, if a house hits the market and it lasts more than 7 days, you're probably looking at a buyer's market. Now take your price point into consideration, because lower priced homes tend to sell quicker. High-end homes or luxury homes tend to sell at a different pace. To get a more precise answer, the easiest way to know is really to ask an experienced real estate agent. Local real estate agents tend to have the finger on the pulse of the market as a whole. Or you can go to a real estate website, Redfin, Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, and choose 10 subject properties that are within your price range and in the zip code that you want to buy. Track their days on the market and their asking price compared to their selling price. If the house lasts more than 7 days and sells at or below asking price, you're probably looking at a buyer's market. Now, if a house lasts less than 7 days and sells at or above asking price, you're probably looking at a seller's market. So how does this affect you? If you're a buyer in a seller's market, you're going to want to get pre-qualified and have everything in order, because you're going to want to write an offer as quickly and cleanly as possible. By cleanly, I mean the least amount of requests possible. More so, you'll want to balance your requests a lot more carefully. And what I mean by this is that you're going to want to make your offer as appealing as possible. Don't hold anything back, especially if you're in a multiple offer situation. But also make sure you cover yourself with an inspection and a loan or appraisal contingency. If you're a seller selling in a buyer's market, you're going to want to list your home more aggressively to be able to create that multiple offer situation to get the most amount of money possible for your home. You can also watch my video on how to get more money for your house right here. You're also going to want to keep in mind that the list price is part of the marketing. It's to get people in the door. The more people you attract, the more offers you get, and the better probability of getting a good price for your home. The last thing you're going to want to do in this market is price too high and only have one offer, because that's when a buyer can take control of the negotiations. If you're a buyer buying in the buyer's market, go ahead and make a lowball offer. It just might stick. Since sellers aren't getting that many offers, usually they will at minimum counter your offer. This is when you're more likely to get an amazing deal. Worst case scenario, the seller doesn't accept, but you still have plenty of inventory to choose from. Now, if you're a seller selling in a seller's market, well then this is an amazing position to be in. You can really take advantage of what the market has to offer, especially in the multiple offer situation. You can really just sit back and choose the highest, cleanest offer on the table. I mean, you're coming out the ultimate winner. So question of the day: what market is currently going on in your local market? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, that's it for this video, folks. If you found this video informative or entertaining, please give it a like. If you didn't like it, please give it a protest like anyway. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions regarding real estate or the topic that we covered today, my contact information is down in the description. I will have more up-to-date info on Instagram, so go on ahead and give me a follow there as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Peace.